Hey everyone, we are back. And by the way, I do have some news. I think it's positive news, if we can say that. So earlier in London session, I went down to almost negative $700 on the account. I managed to rescalp it. All right, so I managed to regain those losses, which is a good thing. I was down almost 2%, actually 2%. I was down $1,100 by the end of London session. And right now I'm up $129 net. So I had some good trades. These were 2 trades actually. Taking partials. This was made on pound, the first one. This was made on gold and the few scalps. Pound and gold. Let me just... Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So the pound, this trade, I made it off stream. Here. This was a 2-to-1, a perfect 2-to-1. First portion was 500 pound profit. Second portion was again 500 pound profit. So that was I minus commissions, of course. So this was actually a very nice trade. Risk reward 2-to-1. Yeah. And then I made 2 trades here. This was scalp trades. These were scalp trades. I was aiming for to stay inside this fair value gap. I think the stop was somewhere around there, and was aiming for a 1-to-1. So TP was up there, but I exited manually, so that's what happened. So whatever you see, the month is down journal wise minus 6%, but overall my account is up more than 1%, 1.2%. It's at $50,643. So I think I'm gonna change some rules here, because it might give some bad expectations to someone who is visiting the stream, to think that everything is so bad, because yeah, on stream I wasn't so, how should I say, lucky, or I don't know. But yesterday same thing happened. I did not count the off stream trades, by the way. I made almost 3% off stream, and on stream I lost 2% or something like that. So basically yesterday was a little bit more, well, around break even. So overall I'm not sad, I'm just sad stream wise, journal wise. I was only journaling the stream trades. So there might gonna be a rule change soon. I don't know. I want to keep on growing this account. I mean, to finish with this challenge, but off-stream and on-stream records, I know it can be confusing. I'm gonna be sharing the whole account detail in my Patreon membership group. But anyway, you can see today, this is today's trades. So this happened today. This is nothing, let's not count that. That was an expert advisor test, as you can see, placed by expert. So that was placed by expert. So these were all the losses I suffered in London session. As you can see, I was down $1,100. And then after London session, after stream, I started to go long with two. Actually, this was not $1,000 risk. This was a $500 risk trade, actually a little bit less, but so I wasn't risking 2% per trade. But this was a TP2 trade. That was a 2% trade. I don't know what this was. And then almost the same. Now this trade was closed by mistake by the EA. It should have gone for more, but anyway. So I started to scalp here on pound, which was alright, but then I lost it on gold, then gained a little bit back, then I lost a little bit. But these are just small scalp trades. Anyway, I brought back the account to a net and $25, which brings the account back to 50,643 on the challenge. All right. That's what we're doing right now, and I'm still aiming for gold, that it should spike up. It should spike up. I mean, if not, what do we have? We have a fair value gap as an inversion gap helping us down here on the 15-minute chart. And yeah, we have some buy side. Oh, the euro, we're not taking anything. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the euro for now, although it can go up. I'm most likely just gonna watch gold for a little bit. We have some good buy side up there. Let's go for gold. As you can see, we have buy side above 67. Buy side above 67. And so this trade is on the stream, and anyone could take it, or may say that it has been happened on the stream. I'm going to journal it, and if it goes to here, that's going to be a full TP2 trade, most likely, which could bring back 2% from our losses, hopefully. But I'm thinking that maybe I should journal differently, because so far my journal was great, but this month I said that I only journal the trades which I take on the YouTube stream. Now that messed up the numbers a little bit, because I know that off stream I made some good gains, and that messes up the psychology. So yeah. That definitely messes up some stuff. Just thinking. Just thinking, don't worry guys. I'm always thinking. Look at all this. Let's go to 15-minute. Look at all these wicks here. Just below buy side liquidity. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. So I'm just saying, if anyone is new, from London session, I managed to get back the account from minus $1,100. Managed to recoup it to above 50k again. This was London session right here. London session, all losses. After London, and these were no overtrades. These were 1% positions, actually. It was all right. So I'm back up at a net profit of $129. But I didn't journal it, so as I said, I'm gonna change something about this rule. So overall today we're back in profit, back in business. I was feeling really emotional and bad at the end of the London session. So overall, I'm looking at gold, most likely. I'm looking for this one to break higher, to break through this high resistance level, because this is high resistance right here. If we break above, then most likely we can head for our original target, which is 1984. Tapped into this imbalance this morning. Maybe it was, oh sorry, it was yesterday, sorry. Maybe it should be enough to deliver this to buy side. I don't know. Guess we'll see. Sorry, you couldn't hear me. So if anyone is new, please drop a like. And if anyone was here from the London session, I can proudly report that I brought back the account from minus 1,100. This is a challenge account. This is not yet funded account. This is an FTMO challenge account. By the way, hey there, Royce. Thank you so much for joining the stream. I was having a very critical day. This was today, London session. You can check it in the VODs. I was losing this is just an EA trade. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row, technically. Very bad. It was 3. I don't know what's this one. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, never mind. So 1, 2, 3, lots of losses. And then after I managed to regain these were all the same risk amount of trades. So yeah, managed to get it back to profit again. I'm still hoping that gold will spike up. By the way, how is your trades going, Royce? Are you beginner trader, pro, advanced? Are you trading since a long time? How is trading going for you? You're a newbie? Well, yeah, I mean, I also expect gold to destroy these levels here. That's what I'm hoping for. Anyway, if you're new, that's amazing, because then you have lots of stuff to learn. Myself, I went through a lot of struggles in the past years, so my brain is full with crazy stuff which I have to delete from the early years, and nowadays I'm only using smart money concepts, most likely ICT and stuff like that. But you know, I'm trying to be here stream wise, so if you would like to join in on the streams, I try to be here in London and New York session as well. So if you know, sub to my channel, I would be more than happy to see you regularly, because I'm trying to build a community, boys. Yeah. So that's an inversion fair value gap. Maybe could help us as a kind of a support. My entry was totally messed up. I entered on this, let me show you. I entered, that's the dollar index. I entered gold. Why did I enter gold? Yeah. Because I thought that there is an order block here. Here. And also there was a very, well, I'm not sure if this is a proper order block there. But my entry is based on an order block and I put the stop a little bit below. So that's it. If it dips lower, no problem, no biggie. Oops. No biggie. Let's put a text here. And if I'm not correct, just let me know if it's not an order block, because yeah. That's an order block, hopefully. Well, actually it goes until there, but that's the range for entering. So yeah, not the best entry I took there, but should have waited until it gets a little bit lower. I'm only risking about a little bit more than 0.5% on the account on this one. But after early morning's massacre, which happened in the London session on the account, oh my god, I'm still happy. I'm still happy because I recouped my losses. So up $129 after $1,100 of loss. So I'm okay with it. And now I'm just waiting for gold to take out those highs. Yeah. That's what we're waiting. Pretty much around break even, but maybe market open will bring us something. So far, this order block doesn't seem like it's gonna hold. So we just have to see. If it's not gonna hold, we're gonna decide what to do here in this inversion gap. So one defense line is this order block, and the other defense line is the gap below here. I mean, sorry, this imbalance. This is the inversion fair value gap. And let's look at dollar index. Dollar index, I think it will knock out yesterday's low. I think it's going to go down there, but this is the 1 hour. A little bit of retracement should knock it down. So we have relative equal highs up there. That's interesting, I know that. But maybe it wants to tap into some more liquidity down there. So what do we have here? Yeah, the gold trade. If anyone was here, again, if anyone is here from the London session, I managed to take back some of the losses, so I'm in profit again with the account. With actually today, I'm profit for today with $129 on the challenge account. I'm very happy about that, so I'm risking around 0.5%. Well, it's a little bit more than 0.5% with this trade. And if it stops us out, then you know we're just gonna wait and see if it wants to go down and take out sell side or do something. Then we're definitely gonna go to the sidelines and just wait. I don't like what the pound is doing. The pound tapped into this fair value gap between these lines. Might want to go down, you know, if it turns, and also gold can turn as well. We're gonna check that out. So far, I mean, this could be a structure break here. I give it that, but even if it stops me out, if we get a close below this fair value gap, then that would be a confirmation that it's changing character. For now, we're just waiting. And I'm just thinking, okay, now we are tapped into a little bit to that inversion gap. So I'm just thinking, if we're gonna turn around, then I'm not entering into a new trade after that, that's for sure. I'm gonna be waiting for a very clear break of character or structure or whatever, change of character, however you want to call it. Man, I didn't believe that when they told me, but streaming while trading is extremely hard to keep the focus. It's extremely hard. But anyway, I'm trying to be optimistic. Guys, if anyone would like to drop a like on the stream, I would appreciate it very much. So if anyone was here in the morning, you guys would know that I was losing 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row. Managed to read down those losses after stream. So if I would log the off-stream records, the month would not be -6. We would be definitely in the positive note. The account, I brought the account back to profit. We were down $1,100. Right now we're back above 50,000 and we have $643 in profit. So I'm quite alright with it. This challenge account is still in game. So this was an interesting session, that's for sure. I'm looking for gold to clear all that liquidity on the upside. I entered on a bullish order block, and there's an inversion gap here that can help us as a support. That's the only thing I'm looking at now. The pound, I don't know. Hey, KRK, nice to see you back. As you can see, KRK, I made it back. These were London session. This here, London session, London session, London session, London session. I think, or I don't know, maybe not. Maybe this was not London session. But this was a full TP2 trade. This trade was closed accidentally by the expert advisor, which I used to manage the trade. So I managed to get back for today. This is today, to a positive $129. So London session was a total mess. After the session, it was alright. And I don't know where to put this, because journal-wise, it can be deceiving, you know, because you guys see that I'm down negative, but overall I'm... thank you very much, KRK, thank you. It feels good, man. Thank you, really, because I was very sad after London session. And this trade, I'm especially proud of this trade, the pound. It was real good. The gold should have been better, but the EA closed it, the trade manager. I messed it up. It should have been almost the same like this one. Some scalps, but that doesn't really matter. And so money-wise, account-wise, I mean, this challenge account is definitely in the positive. We are up over 1%, around 1.2%. This is up, but journal-wise on the stream, we are down 6%. So what should I do now? Because this is a little bit frustrating to me, but maybe I have to do some extra rule here. How should I journal the trades to be transparent if someone is just dropping into the stream and wants to know how we're doing? I'm gonna think about this. Maybe I'm gonna put everything out in my private membership. I don't know. I have to think about this. Seems like this inversion gap is gonna give in. I'm risking $300, a little bit above 0.5%. Money-wise on this challenge account on this trade. So if I lose that, the account will still be in profit. Seems like we're gonna lose it. I was hoping, I'm still hoping, aiming that gold should go up. Maybe this inversion gap on the 15-minute could help us with a push, or it's just gonna cut through like butter and it's just gonna go way down. But then again, that would be well, not maybe a seek and destroy, not sure. Not even a seek and destroy, because it didn't took out sell side, didn't take out buy side. By the way, this move in the morning, I think it was a classic Judah swing. Happened just at the time when it should happen. So yeah. So these were the trades, by the way, on pound off stream. Same entry, TP1 and TP2, and a little bit of scalp here, and almost the same on gold. Let me show trade history. Yeah, that was the loss. Wow, what was that? I don't even know. No, that was the loss. I don't. Oh yeah, this. Okay, this was the one. All right. Yeah, because I closed this at break even. All right, so this was the one. First TP or second TP. Yeah, this was the $700 trade. So, and then some scalps here and there. So I'm hoping that it will go as I expected. I have to make a quick phone call, guys. Just a second. All right, I'm here. How long will you do live YouTube? Well, I'm not sure, to be honest. Usually, I wait for the market open on New York session, so about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, because I don't really like to place trades after stock exchange open, which is 9:30 New York time. So usually that's my latest time on stream. London session, I stay longer if I can. Yeah. Looks like this trade is gonna give in. Yeah, I might just gonna cut it here, or let's just wait. I don't know. If it hits us, I'm gonna leave it. The problem is that the stop loss originally should have put here. But then it's gonna give me a bigger loss. I don't want to give back all those profits. Maybe some of it, but not everything. Yeah, we're cutting it. All right, we're cutting it. So we're a little bit down $169. But my risk was off, so I didn't really want it to lose more than I should. The account is still up, so still doing all right. I still believe it's gonna go up, but I'm just scared to enter here. I should re-enter, but this would be a point to re-enter with a different stop loss and risk and everything. I just don't know if I'm comfortable here, because basically we are at no man's land here. We have no news, so anything can happen. Didn't take out any buy side or sell side. Hard to tell. You know what? Let it be. Second chance. All right. Second chance entry right here. And let's try the trade managing tool. All right. Let's try the trade managing tool if we can use that. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. Where's the magic number? There it is. There. Magic number right there. Now this should be fine. So is it moving the stop if I bring it here? Should move it. It's not moving it. It's not doing it. This is an expert test, by the way. Expert advisor test, so it's not detecting the trade. This should be a trade manager tool by the way. It's not detecting it. Okay, then I'm gonna manage it manually. It still has some glitches, but that's a trade manager tool. It helps me to automatically close partial profit on gold, and you know, it's a good thing. So if I have algo trading turned on, MetaTrader is quite, I mean, the MetaTrader 5 is a little bit new to me, and this is a free tool, by the way, and all right. Why is it not taking the... All right, let's try this. Let's input manually. It's not doing its job. It's not working properly. If I move this, okay, it moved. All right, it's working. All right, it's working, guys. Awesome. It detected the trade. I mean, it moved. I saw that. Or maybe it wasn't me. Let's see, experts. The expert is having a problem, I think. Okay, it moved. All right. So the stop is right there. Then it should work. And the final TP, let's check where the final TP should be. At 66, below 66, so So this is 1 hour right there. Okay. That's 2 hour. Okay, so for now we're cool. Now it's managing the trade, hopefully properly. Okay, so it should close a partial TP at TP1. Take profit at TP1. Yeah, okay. Hopefully it will work. If not, then we're gonna put an alert here. Yeah, we're gonna put this alert here. All right. So we have a trade managing tool in place. Okay. So if anyone was here during the London session, I can proudly say that we managed to get the account back to 50k, above 50k, because we were down a little bit above 49k. So I already had a loss, but as you can see, we were net down $1,100, but we're down right now only $169. But that was off stream. These trades, these were 1% risk trades with TP. With TP2. So I'm just waiting for gold to pop up. Hopefully this inversion gap could help us. If not, then, you know, we're just gonna wait. It's a boring game. I wonder if the trade manager EA is going to close partial. I wonder if it's gonna work out or not. By the way, the second TP should be around 1967, so let's modify that. There. That's better. News in 70. What news? This is no news. At least nothing major. This is technically nothing. This is nothing. Especially don't care for the CAD. The trade balance, everyone knows it's, you know, difference in value between imported and exported goods. Well, you know, the gold and the Forex market doesn't really care about this. Nothing extra here. So the difference would be like, should be like a super major difference. And I think it's nothing. It's no news today, guys. Nothing. This CAD news here, it shouldn't really affect as well. So So nothing. No news. Oh, sorry. Let's go back here. So we are in this gap. And we'll see how it goes. Not looking good. I tell you that. Not looking good. Somehow it seems like gold is just, if you know, if it closes below, which time frame is this? This is the 15. Yeah. So if we get a close, where is the gap? Come on. All right, let's mark it correctly. Yeah, if it closes below this gap, after the next 4 minutes, then most likely it's done. It's not gonna do anything. Do, 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 do. So I know it's very boring, but this is what we do here. Again, if someone was here in London, I can proudly say we managed to get back the account to above 50k. We were down a little bit above 49k. Please drop a like if you're new here. And this is today. Today was a mess. London session, total failure. After stream, managed to recoup that, but now again, something's just not right. So still the account is up. This is a challenge account, but so far, you know, so far it is a day like this. It's gonna take out both sides slowly. This is pound, this is gold. Gold is gonna drop lower. Pretty much looks like it. This is, if this 5-minute candle is closing here outside the range of the fair value gap, then not high impact. Yeah, no, not high impact news. It's just some trade balance, dollar USD trade balance or whatever. So it's technically nothing. If it wants to go higher, this area would be the turning point. That's it. If it wants to take out that buy side up there, then this area would be the turning point. Otherwise, I don't really see anything else. This was a Judah swing in the morning, by the way. That's the dollar index. That's the gold. That was a bullish order block. So buy side liquidity is up there, and my hourly analysis still says that we have our final target up there, and I think we need a few days to get to that point. Lots of liquidity engineered up there, but a very significant buy side here. Look at these wicks. It's high resistance liquidity. We all know that, but you know, money wise, lots of stops up there. Lots of stops. Lots of. Even more than on the downside. That's my logic here. But we're gonna go down. Yeah, we are. Oh, gold, 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 gold. Sometimes it's acting perfectly. Right now, it's just acting dirty. It's a day like this. You know, what can you do? We have days like this. We're gonna have days like this. Somehow, I don't know, but it didn't want it to take neither sell side or buy side, just the ranging. And I have a bad feeling that it's gonna just, you know, stay here. It takes us out and stay here and just gonna range. Actually, it can make my thing easy. If it would just take me out right now, I could close the stream and go and head to the gym. So guys, if it stops me out, I think that's it for today for me. I'm not gonna trade anymore today because I'm happy that I recovered the account to a positive territory. After this loss, I will be still maintaining the 50k balance. So it looks like this is what it wants to do. But it was a good run. Today was, again, interesting. I'm gonna journal it. What can I say? It is a day like this. Days like this are gonna come. Yeah, why wait, right? Why should we wait? Okay. All right, I'm closing it. All right, guys. I'm a little bit disappointed, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna cut the stream. Today, as hard as I tried, it seems like it's a negative day again. But thank you so much for being here. Tomorrow I will be here with fresh strength and optimism and everything on the London session. Today, this is just a sideways day for gold, I think. This is it. Thank you guys for joining. Please like the stream, follow me, sub to the channel. I'll be here on London session. So thanks again. Cheers, everyone.